I had a close friend growing up whose father was also Jewish and her mother wasn't Jewish, and we both kind of had this sort of commonality in that we felt like, we are Jewish, and that's a part of our identity and who we are, but it's not something that's necessarily accepted as truth by other Jews, and that's a really uncomfortable space to be sometimes. It wasn't like a huge issue in my childhood, but it's definitely something I felt in my life. But I think a lot of it is kind of internalized. It's not like anyone ever said to me like, well, you're just a half Jew or anything like that. It's just something I felt, whereas, I couldn't read Hebrew, I didn't really follow along, and I guess maybe it's kind of a inadequacy that, I applied to myself more than that, people were discriminatory or anything like that.